Welcome back to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we are embarking on a journey into the future. Exploring the businesses of tomorrow. Are you ready to discover the untapped opportunities that lie ahead? Let's dive in. The business landscape is ever-changing. Gone are the days when traditional models like dropshipping and Amazon FBA ruled the online world. Now, a new era beckons, filled with innovation, technology, and endless possibilities. Imagine a world where AI is not just a buzzword, but an integral part of every business. From customer support to sales automation. AI is redefining how we work and live. Take the real estate industry, for example. AI can transcribe calls, send follow-up emails, and even create custom AI co-pilots for specific industries. The question is, how will you leverage AI in your field? Ever dreamed of building your software company but felt held back by coding? Meet Bubble, the no-code platform that's revolutionizing software development. From AI web apps to personalized tools, Bubble empowers anyone to become a creator. What would you build if coding was no longer a barrier? In a world where deepfakes blur the lines between reality and fiction, how do we authenticate what's real? Enter NFTs, the digital signatures of the future. From Spotify to Nike, major brands are embracing NFTs. How will NFTs reshape your digital experience? The possibilities are endless. The future belongs to those who think differently. High-leverage products, multi-billion-dollar industries, and AI software tools are the keys to success. Whether it's AI, no-code SaaS, or NFTs, the businesses of the future are here. Are you ready to embrace the change and seize the opportunities? From AI integration to no-code development and NFTs, the future is filled with excitement and innovation. The question is, where will your journey take you? Join us again on AI Tools, your survival kit, as we continue to explore the cutting-edge tools that shape our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.